Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay with LindsayMoore.com, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you can make $100 per day online passively. Okay, so now when I talk about the word passively, that means like when you're away on vacation, when you're sleeping, or whatever else, your business is making money for you. Now, with the 3 ways that I'm going to talk about in this video, you're going to have to do some work in the beginning, and then even once you have put that work in, you must continue to do the work. Is no business out there where you can just do something one time and then it just always just going to pay you for the rest of your life. You always have to be working at this. You always have to be putting in, that work and, creating more, content or whatever it is for your business in order to generate that passive income. Okay. Now, these are 3 ways that, again, you can make passive income online. These are 3 ways that I'm using currently right now that's helping me to, to wake up to money, or just have like random payments in my bank account or whatever else. And you can do similar as well. But again, you must do the work in the beginning. And then again, you must maintain the work afterwards, right? Okay. So the first thing that you can do to earn $100 per day online passively is creating a YouTube channel. Yay. Now, with creating a YouTube channel, what you want to do is you don't want to just, especially start off in the beginning, you don't want to just create content that only you are interested in. You want to take the time and do the research and find content that people are already searching for when it comes to YouTube. Okay, so you can go into the YouTube search engine and put in how to put on makeup, how to do Shopify, how to do this. Okay, you want to start doing your research like that. Now, whatever niches you decide you want to be in, like, so if you're in a make money online niche, a real popular thing right now is Shopify. So you can do some research and find some videos through the YouTube search on Shopify videos, and you want to find the top Shopify videos and the videos that have a lot of views, that have low subscribers. That means it's a term that people are actually searching for, regardless of if somebody has like over 100,000 subscribers or not. People are actually searching for that term. And again, that YouTube search bar is going to be your best friend, because whenever you put like a term in there, like Shopify and a blank, like a space, like you do like Shopify and a space bar, it's going to give you a whole list of searches that people are already looking for. So what you can do is you can jot down all of those terms, those keywords, and do a video on each of those keywords, right? But what you want to do is you want to remain consistent by doing this. So like for me in the beginning, I did a 90-day challenge when I first started with YouTube. And with that particular, at that particular time, I was just doing random content. But what it did was, like, even though I didn't get a lot of views on my videos, YouTube did see my my channel as an authority after some time, because I was putting out a video every single day for 90 days. Now, I wouldn't tell anybody to do that now, because you don't have to do that. You can actually do less videos, but do videos on terms that people are already searching for. If you do that, you're going to have a higher chance to either, maybe you may rank on the search on the first page. If not, you'll probably end up in the suggested videos. So think about whenever you are watching a YouTube video, or how you're watching this video right now, and you see those videos right here on the right hand side, those related videos, you can show up there as well. And you can get a lot of views to your channel simply by being on the related channels feed. A lot of my videos, even though they may not rank in the first spot on the first page of YouTube, they do rank in those suggested videos. And I do have videos that are over 90,000 in views simply by me being ranked over there, and eventually it ended up showing up on the first page of YouTube. Okay, so if you do that, you can eventually monetize your channel, because you do it for your channel to be monetized on YouTube. You need 4,000 watch hours, and you also need 1,000 subscribers. Now, that's something that I have did a video on my YouTube channel, so you can definitely check that out, or I'll just put a link below this video so you can check that out. But once your channel is monetized, you can easily go back to your older videos and insert ads. So now you're going to be generating income from YouTube ad revenue. So you can definitely do that. Also, if you're doing like reviews on different products and things like that, you can put your affiliate link in the description, and you can earn commissions from there as well. I also have another video on my YouTube channel about the 7 ways that you can actually earn income from YouTube, even if you don't have a monetized channel. So I'll put that link below this video too as well. But that's how you can earn $100 per day passively with YouTube, right? create the channel, create content that people are looking for, include affiliate links below, and then also make sure that you're consistent with your uploads. If you're not going to do every day, you can do twice a week or 3 times a week. Just make sure that you're consistent. And then eventually when your channel gets monetized, you can start inserting ads with your YouTube channel and earn from YouTube on Google AdSense. And that's how you're going to earn $100 per day passively. Now, the second way you can do this is through blogging. Now, this is going to be a long-term type of thing for some people, especially if you're just diving into it, right off the rip. For me, I started my blog in April of this year, and I've been getting about a few hundred visitors per day from my blog, but a lot of those visitors have come from my YouTube channel, because on my end card I tell people to visit my channel. Even when I introduce myself to every YouTube video, I say it's Linsay from LindsayMoore.com. And then also people are finding my blog for on the search engine on Google as well. So with blogging, this is just another way that you can create content. You can also insert affiliate links in your blogs. Also on your widgets, like if you visit somebody's blog and you see on the right hand side they have like little widgets of where they're promoting different affiliate offers, you can earn income from there as well. Now, if you remain consistent with this, you can earn a lot of money from blogging. When I had been doing my research before I had started my blog in April, I was doing a lot of research on YouTube on other people who are doing who are using blogging in their business, and there's people out here who are creating $100,000 months just from their blog. And we're not even talking about like with YouTube and their other businesses or whatever else. Just from their blog alone will generate them multiple 6 figures per month. So that's the goal that I'm headed towards with my blog. So I understand that right now is not like I do earn money from my blog, but I'm not making a killing from my blog right now. But I understand that it's a long-term solution. So that's why I have it up. That's why I add content to it, and I will continue to add content to it, because I am working up towards earning like 6 figures per month with my blog. But that's how you can earn income passively with your blog. But we're talking about in this video for $100 per day, that you can easily do that, right? So if you're having a YouTube channel, let's say like you're doing a review of a product or something like that. Let's say like you're in the health and wellness niche, and you do a video review of Vitamix. Well, you can tell people to go over to your blog to get your full review of the Vitamix, how to use some recipes or something like that they can use with Vitamix. And then you can include your Vitamix affiliate links throughout there. And somebody who buys like a Vitamix, trust me, you're going to meet that $100 quota that you're trying to meet with your blog. And then also, if you just refer people back to your blog or whatever else through various affiliate links that you'll have throughout your posting or in the widget section, you can earn additional income as well, additional commission. So you can definitely hit that $100 per day passively with your blog, okay? But again, remember, it's a long-term solution. You could definitely, I say everybody create a blog, but understand you're not going to make gazillions of dollars next week, okay? Understand that it's a long-term solution, but it will pay off in the long run. So you definitely want to make sure that you have it. And then the third thing that you can do to make $100 per day is affiliate marketing. Now, this is something that I talk about heavily on my channel. It's about affiliate marketing, email marketing, or whatever else. Maybe I should put that too, actually. Let me put email marketing. Because with email marketing, you can promote affiliate offers through your email marketing, and you can earn up to $100 per day. Now, I have full-length tutorials, on my YouTube channel on how to actually set up a profitable email marketing business. But what you're going to do is you're basically in the business of collecting emails. So think about the Groupon business model, okay? So what Groupon does is if you want access to any of their deals or anything like that, as soon as you visit their website, they're going to ask you for your email address. Once you have submitted your email address, in exchange for your email address, they're going to give you all these super deals. And now that they have your email address, now they can continuously send you emails every single day with different type of deals and offers. Some of them are real specific to your location, and that way they can continue to build that relationship with you, build that rapport or whatever else, and just eventually just get you back to the site so you can continue to buy more from their website. And Groupon is a $1 billion company, okay? So you want to definitely make sure that you're doing that for your business as well. If they are a $1 billion company whose sole business model is to collect emails, then you have to understand how profitable email marketing is and how it can be for your business as well. So what you want to do is you want to start collecting emails. So whatever niche that you're in, you want to find out what product, what problem, or issues or things that they're struggling in. Create a solution around that, or find like a solution, maybe like some articles or something like that. And you want to give that information away for free in exchange to get their email. Now you have that email on your email list. You can continue to send more information to them over time through email, providing value, offering different products and things like that. And once you do that, you can easily earn $100 per day just from your email list. Before you make a post on YouTube, social media, or anything like that, you can send an email blast out to your list at 9 a.m. and probably have a few $100s in your back pocket before noon. That's how powerful email marketing is, okay? So I'm doing this part right here just to give you guys just a really quick kind of visual of what I'm talking about. So like I said, like if you were in the online, make money online niche. So let's say you do Shopify, right? So now we see all these different terms that are coming up. These terms right here are really popular searches on YouTube. YouTube is already giving you the answers on what you need to make your videos on. So like I said, I would jot all these down onto a notepad and I would make a video on each of these particular topics. All right. So let's say we go ahead and click on Shopify. And what I typically like to do is you want to see what videos has a lot of views but has a low subscriber count. Now, the one thing I would say, like I said, because in the internet marketing niche, the online marketing niche, Shopify is very, very popular. So if you just use the term Shopify, it's going to be really hard to get on page one because it's so many people who are doing it. As you can see here, people. Well, this person right here has 7.7 thousand views, and they have 3,800 subscribers. So you can do a video kind of like this, how to do a nested menu drop down. You can probably show up on page one. And what I would do is I will not like copy it, but I'll make a title very, very similar to his and do my video very similar to his as well. And you also want to pay attention to like the thumbnails that people are using as well, because you definitely want to make sure that your thumbnails pop when you are creating YouTube videos, okay? And you can see some of the videos I did over a year ago, 2 years ago, still on page one as well. Quite a few of them are. Yay. But that's what you want to do. So even like another key term will be Shopify tutorial for beginners. So if you come over here as well, you're going to see a lot of the same people on here. But again, you see people, they have 1 million viewers on here. So this is a really popular keyword, okay? Really, really popular. So you just want to scroll down and you want to find those videos that have a lot of views but low subscribers. If you can't find it on here, then what you want to do is you want to keep going through that list of Shopify keywords and until you find something, okay? But that's how you're going to go about doing that. And you can do that for any niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, it's going to be the same thing. If you're in the beauty niche, it's the same thing. You got to understand, like, these niches are really popular. There's a lot of people in them, and it's going to be competitive or whatever else. But even though that is competitive, that still doesn't mean that you don't do the work. You want to make sure that you are still making videos and being consistent with your videos. Like I said, find out what schedule you're going to stick to. If you're going to do a video every single day, maybe 2 times out the week, 3 times out the week, make sure that you are just putting out that content out there. Because once you start being really inconsistent, it's going to show, like, YouTube won't probably show your videos as higher in the search engines, okay? So that if you want to rank higher in the search engines, you have to be consistent with your content, okay? Now, what I was talking about with blogging. So right here, we're on Smart Passive Income. This is Pat Flynn's web, blog. And as you can see right here, if you hover over here, you can see his income reports that he does. And you can see, I think this is, if this is not for the current month, this is for last month. You see over 167,000 in income just from his blog. Okay? And if you scroll down, you'll see his income reports. And you can see over 200,000, over 145,000, 220,000. And again, this is from his blog, guys. Okay? So you can definitely come over here, draw some inspiration, and kind of see what he's doing over here. But each of his income reports, he breaks down, how he generated his income. But that's what I was talking about, guys. That's why you definitely want to make sure you set up a blog. Like I said, you're not going to see these numbers in your first few months. But if you keep continuing to build up your blog, being consistent with your content as well, this could be possible, right? And this is not bad. Look, even back in 2014, he was doing like $74,000 per month. That's still not bad, right? So that's what I was talking about with that. Now with email marketing, so here we are on the Groupon site. And as you can see here, they're asking for my email address before I can get any of their amazing deals that they have on here, so I can save tons of money on a bikini wax or or miniature golf or whatever else. I have to put my email address in order for me to get access to any of these coupons. Even if I was to click on this no thanks tab right here, I can go ahead and this little pop-up will disappear. I can see all of their deals, but if I choose a deal and it's time for me to go to checkout, guess what? They're going to ask me for my email address again, right? This is a billion-dollar company and they're asking for your email address. If they don't get anything else from you, they want your email address. Why? Because they're going to keep remarketing to you over and over again to have you to keep coming back to their site, buying more things, buying more things, buying more things. So that's how you're going to be able to make $100 per day passive online. Look at these companies, look at what they're doing in order to, create online income, right? And you're going to apply it to your business. It's just going to be on a different scale pretty much. So hopefully they kind of give you guys like a little visual and a little bit of help on what I'm talking about in this video. So again, guys, those are the 3 ways that you can actually make $100 per day online passively. Like I said, underneath this video, I'll put some links to some videos that will actually kind of go into more detail about how you can make money on YouTube, how to set up a profitable email marketing business. I'll put all the information below this video in the description below. Also, I'm going to put information to my #1 recommendation to creating income online. Now, this is something that I have been using since 2014, and they have been paying me every Wednesday since, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put that information below this video. So you definitely want to make sure you take advantage of that. Check that out, and also a free cheat sheet. Also going to include a free cheat sheet on how you can create a $48,000 per year side hustle business. That cheat sheet will be below this video. I'm so tongue-tied today, guys. But that information will be below this video in the description. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell if you have, so you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. Until the next one, peace.